Duola marango kaka obila timo tijgi pacho ka IPOA yango lela midhiero magi kalo e lwet jotend obila e kinde magi timo apedha ewi moko kuom weche maluoro obila owetege. Jakom duolno Isaac Hassan mane wuoyo e boma ma Garissa yango ni midhiero go osemiyo duolno kao kinde malach e tieko timo apedha ne ng'ur mathoth ma jopiny osebedo ka chwalo. Jatelono nomedo wacho ni nok mar apisas matimo apedha ne duolno en achiel kuom gik mamiyo gikao kinde malach e tieko timo apedha. Nyaka ne duolno mar IPOA chuogi higni 14 mokalo gisetieko timo apedha ewi ng'ur ma ohewo 5,000 ewi ng'ur 32,000 ma osechwal ne duolno.
That we have with the police in terms of cooperation. Some of our staff in different regions have expressed a worrying trend of police stations like OCS failing to give or refusing to give documentation which is in their control before asking for authority from the IG or the High Command, which is very much a delaying tactic.
The OCSs, the junior officers and the OCPDs, even my fellow county commanders should embrace the IPOA body. This will help them in supervision or supervising the officers themselves and on the checks and balance of the officers on service delivery to the members of the public.
The IPOA has been here for over 10 years now. But it appears like there are quite a number of people who do not know what it does. And we have agreed that from today onwards, we'll do as much publicity as possible to create that necessary awareness to the members of public to be able to report on matters that concern the agency.